Said to Mommy Ellen Olea, you need to withdraw to support Bongbong Marcos. You know, Mommy Ellen Olea, I think you're my relative. I know you're a sister of my mom. I know you're very a senior citizen. Please, I'm asking to you, Mommy Ellen Olea, don't support Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and Bongbong Marcos because I know they're the greatest robbery of the government. Have you think that Philippines have been disciplined? No. It is up to the administration of Cory Aquino. No discipline. You see what really happened in the martial law of Marcos Sr.? Human rights abuses. Killing thousands of Filipino Muslims, Shia and Sunnis. And most of the Jabida massacre. I remember that. And even the martial law of the human rights abuses of Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and also the time of um, assassination of Ninoy Aquino. You know, as I'm saying to Mommy Ellen Olea, just withdraw the support of Bongbong Marcos. Don't support him. You know, like me, I'm not supporting Marcoses. I'm not pro Marcos anymore. Oh, I am a pro Duterte and I'm a supporter of Hugo Chavez and I'm a supporter of Ali Khamenei. I am a supporter of Xi Jinping and Vladimir Putin. But recently, I am a supporter of Rodrigo Duterte and I am a supporter of Hugo Chavez. I want like Venezuela or the Philippines to become disciplined country of populism, like inspired by Lee Kuan Yew and Fidel Castro, like Singapore and Cuba. If I were you, Mommy Ellen Olea, don't support the Marcoses anyway. You know, like me, you see, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is the greatest robbery of the government, magnanakaw. Unlike his son, Bongbong Marcos, magnanakaw. As you can see, Ferdinand Marcos Sr., he still money to the Filipino people compared to Benjamin Netanyahu. Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is still money to the Filipino people. He is compared to Benjamin Netanyahu. They are corrupt. Oh, that's only the best thing we can say, Mommy Ellen Olea, is to support Sara Duterte and Rodrigo Duterte. Why? I love Duterte. Because you know me, I'm a former Trump supporter. Oh, I withdraw the support of Donald Trump because of the Middle East conflict when there's Iran and Israel war. But at this time, I support Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, because why I love Rodrigo Duterte, I say again, Mami Ellen Olea, I always support Rodrigo Duterte. We want the Philippines to be safe from holdupper, kidnapper, like illegal drugs, drug addict who were rapists, drug addict who were robbery. We are being safe in the Philippines like Davao. We are disciplined in the Philippines under by Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, like Teacher Vincent Ramos supports Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, because his girlfriend, Teacher Isa Vancula, are she's also pro Duterte. They have their own opinion. If I were you, Mami Ellen Olea, don't be a Marcos loyalist. Because I know you will get you in harm. Oh, you know, You think that Bongbong Marcos is a thief or he's a drug addict. He's not really inspired from his father, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. He is really worse than his father. That's what I said, for Kuya Danmar Dayaw and also to Danmar, Danmar, you need to stop bashing Kuya Rodelio Daguman. He's not related to politics. You know me, I'm just saying, Rodelio Daguman, Kuya Rodelio, is no longer related to politics. And you're blaming Kuya Rodelio Daguman when you attack Cedric. Oh, how did Kuya Rodelio Daguman attack Cedric? He's really busy in his city hall in Muntinlupa. According to the telephone, I contact with Muntinlupa City Hall. Oh, how's the work of Kuya Rodelio Daguman or Sir Rodelio? He's doing well. Oh, he's not doing anything that he bash Cedric, he attack Cedric. That's not really good. As per you, Danmar Dayaw, quit on supporting at Bongbong Marcos. You have to support Sara Duterte and Rodrigo Duterte. And you love Duterte anyway. I am saying to you, Danmar, gusto mo pala ang mga Duterte. You know that. For you, Danmar, wag ka kasi puro Marcos. Do not politicalize Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Even to all Filipinos there, don't listen to Bongbong Marcos. Even the Israelis out there, don't listen to Benjamin Netanyahu. Bongbong Marcos and Benjamin Netanyahu are corrupt. They are drug addicts. Just like I said, look at Yair Lapid and Rodrigo Duterte. They are not creating wars. Yair Lapid wants to end the war with Iran. Rodrigo Duterte wants to end the war with China to dispute of West Philippine Sea. He doesn't want his soldiers and policemen to get killed. It will be a suicide. But like Bongbong Marcos and Benjamin Netanyahu, they want to provoke against Iran and China. That's unbelievable. I'm just gonna say to both of you, Mami Ellen Olea and Kuya Danmar Dayaw, withdraw the support of Bongbong Marcos. Just like I said, when Ate Isa was become an anti-Marcos, she said to me, sumingot si Bongbong Marcos ng illegal na droga. Last 2024, when Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo is also a witness. And even Ate Isa and Nanay Net they are also a witness. Even Arnel Guerrero Castillo, Best Pills, he's also a witness. I didn't realize that it was a deep fake. Bongbong Marcos is a drug addict. I'm the one who's witness. Even everyone are the witness. Like you, Sangkay Janjan, you say about you're pro BBM, you're pro Marcos, and you're trying to brainwash Cedric Mariano. You're trying to brainwash Danmar Dayaw to ruin Cedric. And take a look, Sangkay Janjan, that Bongbong Marcos is a drug addict.